Assalamu alaikum. In this video, I'll show you how to check graphic card of your computer or laptop. So let's start. If you're new to channel, subscribe to the channel and like the video. Uh, First, I'll show you which graphic card you are using in your laptop or system. Go to my computer, click here. Now right click and click on properties. From here, you can check the RAM, processor, and the generation of your laptop or system. Now click on device manager. Now in this you need to select the display types. Now here you can see you are using in my system I am using Intel R HD graphics 400. So from here you can just check which graphic card you are using in your system or laptop or any other device. So the other way you how can you check the memory of your graphic card is go to search and type DXDIAG. Now click on enter. Now from here you can check you can see the memory of your graphic card, the actual memory and company. Here you can see all the details of your system. Click on here display, and now down here you can see the graphic card used in my system. Display memory 32 MB and shared 1760. So good luck guys. Uh, there are two ways to check the graphic card of your system. If you have a query or suggestion, feel free to comment below. Subscribe to the channel. Allround.